Welcome to the MOZA Creator Club. Here is the introduction of the button function and mode operation for the brand new AirCross S. Power button. Long press to power on. Long press to shut down. Click to sleep or wake up. Double click to switch follow speed. Menu button. Click to enter the menu. Double click to switch follow mode. PF mode. Pan following mode on, while the other two axes remain locked. TF mode. Pan and tilt following on, while the roll axis remains locked. FPV mode. In FPV mode, all three axes are unlocked, which lets you use your handle to control the gimbal in 360 degrees of movement. Lock mode. Also called full lock mode. The three axes are locked. Press and hold the trigger to quickly enter the lock mode. Sport gear mode. Triple click to enter inception mode. Turn the knob left and right to control the rotation of the pan axis motor joystick. Control the rotation of the gimbal. The camera moves faster when pushing harder. In the menu display, push the joystick up and down to select functions. Push right to the next menu interface. Push left to return the previous menu. Trigger button. Double click to recenter. Triple click to selfie mode. Press and hold to lock mode as well. Click and then hold again quickly to sports gear mode. Pan axis in fast follow speed. Record button. Click to record or stop recording. Double click to take a photo. For more tutorials, please check the playlist. See you next time.